Okay, hi everyone, I'm here with your 611 lesson, How Can I Move a Shape on a Grid? Rigid Transformations. How can you describe the movement of a figure on a flat surface when it is not moving in a straight line? For example, when you need to move a loose puzzle piece into a puzzle, as shown at right, how can you describe the way its position changes? Today you will explore mathematical ways of sliding, turning, and flipping an object without changing its size or shape. These types of movements are called rigid transformations. You will solve various puzzles as you explore the transformations. Problem 6-1, which is the only problem you are doing today. Key in the lock puzzles. Are you ready for a puzzle challenge? You will use the key lock puzzle CPM available in your ebook. Your job will be to move the key to the keyhole to unlock the door using the transformation button shown at right. So this is going to be slide, to turn, to flip. You will need to tell the computer how you want the key to move. For example, how far to the left or right and how far up or down do you want the key to slide? In which direction do you want your key to flip? Your task. For each puzzle, move the key to the keyhole. Remember that to unlock the door, the key must fit exactly into the keyhole. Also note that your key will not be able to move through walls. There are 12 puzzles to complete. Choose a puzzle by clicking the paper and pencil icon and select a puzzle, or by following the links below. Be sure to record your work on the 611 resource page. Discussion points. In what direction does the key need to move? How can we get the key to fit the keyhole? And what information do we need to give the computer so that it moves the key into the lock? So your resource page looks like this. Gives you the challenge, the moves, the details. So challenge 1, you're going to determine which challenge you want to do first. I recommend intro 1. So you're going to write intro 1 underneath the challenge, and then you're going to solve it, which I'm going to show you how to do here in a second. When you're writing your moves and describing your moves to me, you're either going to be writing slide, turn, or flip. Those are the only words that are going in the moves box. The details is where you're providing more details about that, whether you slide, turned, or flipped. So for example, they did slide first. They went horizontal positive 10 units and vertical positive 2 units. Then they turned the key clockwise 90 degrees about the tip of the key. So I know what move they did, and I know exactly how they did it and what they did because of the details that are provided. So now I'm going to stop sharing my screen real fast, and I'm going to share it again for Google Chrome. And here, when you get to Google, you're going to do CPM ebook. Click on the link. Make sure you log in with Google. So I'm already logged in. So that's why this screen popped up for me. You're going to scroll down and click on Core Connections Course 3, which is your book, Chapter 6, Lesson 611. Scroll down, and here are all your puzzles. So I'm going to start by clicking Intro 1. Your puzzle is going to come up. So a couple things here that I want to go over. If I wanted to slide my key, I would be hitting this. This controls left and right. This controls up and down. So let's just say that's what I want to do. When I'm ready, I want to hit the check mark, and it will move it for me. If I wanted to rotate, I'm going to click the middle button here. And if I click here, it either is going to tell me, it's going to tell me how many degrees and whether it's clockwise or counterclockwise. When I'm ready to rotate, I hit the check. Okay. If you wanted to go back and move your key more, you can by clicking this button right here, but I'm just showing you all the buttons. So I'm going to show you how to flip. When I flip, you can either flip vertically or horizontally, and I'm going to flip vertically here. So I'm just going to say I want to flip it over the line x equals 0, which is going to be the y-axis. I'm going to hit check, and it does it for me. So once you get it to where you would like to, or if you get stuck and you're like, I need to see that all again, you can hit the play all button, and it will show you all of your moves. I recommend figuring out the puzzle first and then transferring your information to your resource page sheet. You will be doing all 12 puzzles, and that is the only problem that you're doing today. 6-1 for lesson 611, all 12 puzzles. If you have any questions, please make sure you ask us.